Some problems it is interrupted, so let's start also again. And as we discussed uh, this problem, this problem, if minus dipt is used, then the epoxidation will occur from the upper side. And for that type of substrate where the allylic carbon is chiral, then you have to draw two conformation of this center. So this is the two conformation, one is upper side, one is below side. If minus dipt is as used, so epoxidation will occur from the upper side. So in that conformation, if the epoxidation occur from the upper side, due to this bulky group in the upper side, hindrance will occur. But in this conformation, dipt will not face hindrance. So between these two conformation, this conformation will give your epoxidation more favorable, and epoxidation will occur like this, and from the upper side, and you can see the options. These these bond are rotated, these bond are rotated from your answer in 180 degree. So you have to, if you rotate this molecule 180 degree, so it will be like this here, and this will go to below side, and this 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 will go to upper side, PHOME, it was PHOME, and this OH here. Now if you want to this type of conformation of this center, then you have to rotate this bond, and you can see if it is coming in the plane, it will be in the upper side, OH will be in the upper side, because hydrogen is below this rotation, and OH will be upper side, it will be remain same, and PHOME in the plane of the paper. So the answer is option A. You can see this is below side, this is upper side. The answer is this is below side, this is upper side. So answer is option number A. You can see we have discussed about this type of substrate in the previous video, in the surface epoxidation. Now the next question is also interesting question. You can see it is allylic alcohol, and MCPA is used. So MCPA will again influenced by this polar group, and for this type of molecule you have to draw the conformation. So now draw the conformation. This you can draw like this here, this, and here OS is the below side, this isopropyl group in the below side here, this is below side. Now if MCPPA is used, so epoxidation will occur from the upper side or below side, two side is open. But due to this OS and due to this influence of polar group, due to this hydrogen bonding, MCP will attack from the lower side then in the upper side. So MCP will occur in the direction of the OH and it will give the epoch side in the below side as the OH also in the below side. Now the part of the question, the next reagent is sodium azide Na(N3), N3 minus, Na plus. It will attack the epoxide ring will open and it will attack in that direction, as I said also in that direction, so that the transition state become chair like. If this attack here, it will be chair like. If this attack here, it will be like twist chair. So it will attack in that position and the chair form will be like this. The OH is here, the OH is will be below side, N3 will be upper side, here OH also below side, this OH, and this is below side here, this is below side. Now the next reagent is PPH3, triphenyl phosphine and water. Triphenyl phosphine, it is used for the reduction of the azide in neutral medium and it is very best reagent for the reduction of the azide and it will reduct into the NH2. So if it reduces to NH2, here OH. Now due to this PPH3 has strong affinity for oxygen, so it will form bond here. Here I am saying here plus minus like this or like this here. Now this bond, this lone pair will attack here and it will form aziridine ring, and aziridine ring, triple ring, 3-member ring formation is more favorable than the 4-member ring. Here will be the 4-member ring, so this ring will form 3-member ring here, and here I am just, this is upper side, I am drawing like this is upper side here. So if you draw in the flat, then this will be this is lower side, then this OS is below side and this is upper side. You can see the option here NH2, if NH2, here NH2, NH2 also given and the aziridine ring also given. So you have to know if PPH3 is used, then this reaction, after reduction, ring formation will occur. You have to know this. So the right answer will be option number B. You can see here upper side, here also upper side. So option number B will be the right answer. You have to